Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX and you're welcome to CoinX the producer. Today, I've got some exciting news from Slate Digital. They've just dropped 3 powerful virtual mix rack models for absolute free, and now you can use them without needing an iLok USB dongle, thanks to the full iLok machine license support. So stick around because I will show you how to install only the 3 models that they made available for free, break down what each plugin does, and let you hear them in action. Slate Digital now lets you activate their virtual mix rack models using your computer, no dongle needed. Just use your iLok machine license and you can use it on up to 2 computers. So you will get 3 free models: the Monster, which is an aggressive 1176 style compressor; Revival, which is a 1-knob saturation and harmonic enhancer; and lastly, the Trimmer, which is a simple gain and phase 2. These are perfect for mixing, sound design, or just adding some vibe to your tracks. Now, here is the thing. When you install through the Slate Digital Connect app, it downloads everything. That can be frustrating because the locked models clutter your view. But here is a tip. Download the standalone Virtual Mix Rack installer and you can choose only the free models you want. Clean, simple, and clutter-free. Alright, so let's have a quick review for the Trimmer. This one is a straightforward gain trim from -24 dB to +24 dB, phase flip, and a VU meter. It is perfect for leveling tracks or adjusting mic phase, especially on drums or guitar recordings. As you can see, nothing fancy but very useful. So let's check it out. Alright, here we have Revival, which you can use to add some analog life to your track. This is where the magic starts. Revival offers shimmer and thickness. That's it. But trust me, this thing adds life to a dead recordings. It's like soft tube saturation knob but with a smooth analog vibe. Throw it on vocals, synth, or even full mix and you see the magic. But let's quickly check it out so that you guys can hear. Alright, and the final one here is the Monster, a compression with an attitude, and it is inspired by the all buttons in mode of the 1176 compressor. This is your go-to for drum smashing. It is aggressive, it is wild, but with the mix knob, you can bring back the transients for a full punchy sound. It is great on drums, guitars, or sound effects. So the question now is it worth it? If you already own a bunch of plugins, to be very honest, this might not really change your world because it's just 3 plugins out of the models they have. But for anyone starting out or building a free plugin toolkit, this is a solid, high quality addition to your arsenal, and it won't cost you anything. It is absolutely free. And now, to wrap it up, these free models work on Windows and macOS, and they are available in VST2, VST3, AU and AEX formats. You will still need an iLok account, but now you can use the iLok cloud or machine license, which means no dongle needed. So what are you waiting for? Grab these 3 and start experimenting. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Download links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.